Hello everyone. Today we will go through another story. This is a story of Lord Hanuman. With the end of the story you will get to know that how he got this name Hanuman. How Hanuman got his name. Hanuman's mother Anjana had told him that all ripe fruits would form his food. One day, when young Hanuman saw the bright yellow sun, he thought it to be a ripe fruit and wanted to eat it. He leaped after the sun and put it in his mouth. When Indra saw Hanuman gobbling the sun, he became anxious. Without the sun, the universe would cease to function. He soon hurled the Vajra or thunderbolt and injured the flying Hanuman on his cheek. Hanuman fell unconscious and inert. His father, Vayu, the wind god, became very fuming at Indra's act and withdrew from the universe. Once the wind was gone, all living creatures withered and began losing their life. To pacify Vayu, Indra lifted his thunderbolt and Hanuman recovered. From then on, he got this name and known as Hanuman, since Hanu in Sanskrit means cheek. So let me know how the story was. And don't forget to make sentences and comment what you have framed using these new words. Keep learning and sharing this. Thank you so very much.